Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed these super cute French curl faux locks. Keep on watching. So of course I got these faux locks from Toyotress. Give you a little close up. Super cute. This is in the color OT3027, which is my favorite color. These are the French curl faux locks. When I tell you that these locks are so low maintenance, I did do the individual crochet method. These have been up for 2 weeks and I've done minimal refreshing to these locks. I've done absolutely nothing to the ends. I put my bonnet on at night, take it off in the morning. Sometimes I add a little mousse to the roots, add a little edge control to my edges, oil every couple of days and do scalp massages. But this style is super low maintenance. So let's get right into this tutorial. So really quick before we get into the tutorial, as always, Toyotress always sends you with 8 packs. I still have 2 full packs that I didn't open, and then I have almost a full pack here. So this was 8 packs, so I used 4.5-ish, 5.5-ish, 5.5-ish packs. So just to get an idea of how much you'll use. So one bundle with the 8 packs is definitely enough for a full head. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving these locks. Again, they've been up for 2 weeks already and they still look good. So now let's get into the tutorial. what you think about these French curl locks. Absolutely love the color. Again, the fact that they are so low maintenance is just absolutely it for me. A little close up of what they look like after 2 weeks. So they still look really good. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.